In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports or lists from QuickBooks as Excel files, and we'll also touch on using the QuickBooks Excel add-in if it's available to you. This process is straightforward, but I'll be guiding you through each step with clarity to ensure you don't miss anything important. Exporting your data to an Excel file provides flexibility for analysis, sharing, and maintaining backups. Let's begin by opening QuickBooks and navigating to the report you wish to export. Once you have the desired report on your screen, you'll notice a range of options at the top of your QuickBooks interface. Look for the Export option, which is often found in the toolbar. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. Here, select Create New Worksheet. This choice will help you export your data into an Excel format. It's a handy feature that allows you to work with your QuickBooks data more dynamically in Excel. A prompt will appear asking you to choose a location on your computer for this file. It's advisable to save it in a folder that's easy for you to locate later. Once you've selected the location and confirmed the save, the exporting process will begin. QuickBooks is generally pretty swift with this, but the time might vary depending on the file size. If the QuickBooks Excel add-in is available to you, it offers an alternative method to achieve similar results. This add-in enhances your Excel with more robust capabilities for fetching and manipulating data directly from QuickBooks. To use the Excel add-in, make sure it's properly installed and enabled in your Excel application. You typically find this option in the Data or Add-ins tab within Excel. Once you're in Excel, find the QuickBooks add-in icon and click it. You'll be prompted to log into your QuickBooks account if you haven't already. After successfully logging in, use the options provided by the add-in to select the specific data you'd like to pull into Excel. This might include reports, customer lists, invoices, or other financial data. The add-in will effortlessly transfer this data, providing you with up-to-date info at the click of a button. Whether you're using the straightforward export feature in QuickBooks or the QuickBooks Excel add-in, knowing how to transfer data into Excel expands your capability to analyze and present your financial reports creatively and effectively. Remember, Excel offers numerous tools like pivot tables and charts that can enhance your understanding of the data. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method of exporting QuickBooks data into Excel. This is an invaluable skill that can enhance your data handling and presentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free